While Santorini is one of the most visited destinations on the planet, its undeniable beauty comes with the drawbacks of being loud, crowded, and expensive. But what if you could have everything that makes Santorini great? The iconic white and blue architecture, stunning ocean landscapes, delicious unique cuisine, and an Instagram-worthy vacation without the downsides. Welcome to Tunisia. We are in Sidi Bou Said, the most beautiful and colorful neighborhood just 20 minutes outside of the downtown of Tunis. There is so much history here and of course, beautiful architecture and views. It looks like Greece, but is it better than Greece? Let's find out. We've been seeing this snack everywhere. It's called bambaluni. And it looks just like a fried dough, kind of like donut, where they cover it in sugar. Oh, there it is. He's showing it. Really good. Check out this museum. We are in Dar El Anabi. It is a typical Tunisian house that was made into a museum, and you can see that they're displaying what a typical Tunisian family lifestyle would look like. All of the different objects and even these mannequins showing the outfits. It's amazing. Quick stop to get a delicious brunch here at Blue Cafe, and everything looks so good and the spices smell amazing. But what we're really here for is this right here, that is citronada, and it's made from the local lemons that reminds us of Sicilian lemons. It is so strong, but it is super refreshing. Bon appetit. Making a pit stop at our Airbnb, just a 5-minute walk from the city center of Sidi Bou Said. So comment right now, how much do you think this costs per night before we reveal it at the end of the tour? So first, you have this living room, which is super spacious, amazing views as well from the living room. Really nice socializing area, and I love the decoration and the attention to detail. Here we have the bathroom. Then to this side we have the first bedroom. Super spacious as well. Sofa, crib, a place to work, so very family friendly. Here we have the kitchen, and it's a full kitchen, has everything you need. Washer, full fridge, dishes, everything. Here you have the shower, so it's separate, the toilet from the shower and the sink, also very spacious. And finally we have the last bedroom, also big and comfortable. And last but not least, we have the patio with this amazing view. So did you comment? This Airbnb cost $200 per night. So I would say that in terms of price and what you get for your money, Tunisia takes the win. But now there's more to see. We're now at the Baths of Antoninus, one of the 7 archaeological sites of the ancient city of Carthage. And this spot is less than a 10-minute ride from Sidi Bou Said, so there's so much to see in this area. The ticket to get in was 12 dinar per person, and I have to say, so far, in terms of food, transportation, tickets, lodging, everything we have found super affordable. So another win for Sidi Bou Said.
feeling much better now.
Yeah.
But even with being sick, I'm so glad that we went out because that was so beautiful.
Yeah, it was the most touristy place.
Yes.
In Tunis. In
or
Tunis
all
and maybe
of
Tunisia.
that we saw for sure. But we were there, what was it, Tuesday?
Yeah, we were on a Tuesday, and we heard that those are the busiest days because those are the days that cruise ships anchor.
Yeah, come in. Tuesdays and Thursdays, and it makes sense because there's like we've said before, there are so many people in wheelchairs, which is totally fine. Like, there's no problem with that. It was just kind of surprising, but that makes sense. There's a lot of the cruise ships coming in. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely but still very much worth it, even with the tourists.
Beautiful, yeah, and it's super walkable too. Like, I'm pretty sure we covered the whole area.
Yeah, it's very easy to walk, but it's not like just a tiny little area. Like, it's big enough to walk through and spend the day, but not too big to where it's like multiple days, like in Buenos Aires or some other like cities that are just massive.
Right.
So yeah, so is it worth it? Is it worth the hype? 100%. Personally, I think it's way better than Santorini and better than Greece.
And it was great to finish the day at Carthage as well. Beautiful place to get a sunset. And it's so close to Sidi Bou Said.
Yeah, but it's crazy, like, just as much history as like Italy or Greece.
Yeah.
Similar weather, amazing food, beautiful architecture, honestly. And I don't know if it's just personal preference, but with Sidi Bou Said as well as Tunis as a whole, and we'll be linking our full Tunis city video, which is kind of separate from Sidi Bou Said, in the description section.
It's a totally different vibe, but we loved it too.
But combined, it is, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful cities on the planet. Seriously. This is us going to 35 countries. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Yeah. And again, it might just be my preference, but I think it's just so beautiful.
Especially because it's so underrated. We're like shocked that people don't talk about
And
Tunisia.
it's one of the cheapest countries, Tunis as a whole, that we've ever been to.
Yeah.
Like, a lot of the entry fees or like Uber, or I shouldn't say Ubers, but taxis, things like that.
Yeah.
Overall, very inexpensive and very, very nice. So overall, 1,000,000%, it's one of like the top 5 underrated destinations we've ever gone to. And so glad that you discovered it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this adventure. We have many more going through here in Kenya, South Africa, Namibia, Ethiopia, all around Africa and the world. So if you're interested in those adventures, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and your travels. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.